Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Bushwhacker Kitchen. Today, we've got a special treat for all you camping enthusiasts out there. We're sharing 10 pro camping tips that will take your outdoor experience to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a newbie, these tips will ensure you have a hassle-free and memorable camping trip. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Choose your campsite wisely. Look for level ground, access to water sources, and proximity to hiking trails or scenic spots. Avoid low-lying areas prone to flooding and areas with overhanging branches. Tip number 2. Invest in quality gear. Don't skimp on essentials like a durable tent, a warm sleeping bag, and a comfortable sleeping pad. Having the right gear can make or break your camping experience. Tip number 3. Pack efficiently. Make a checklist and stick to it. Only bring what you need, and opt for multi-purpose items whenever possible. A lighter pack means an easier hike to your campsite. Tip number 4. Practice campfire safety. Know the fire regulations in your area. Use a fire ring if available, and always keep a bucket of water or a fire extinguisher nearby. Never leave a fire unattended. Tip number 5. Plan your meals ahead. Prepping meals in advance and using resealable bags can save you time and reduce waste. Don't forget to bring some extra snacks for energy during your adventures. Tip number 6. Follow leave no trace principles. Leave your campsite as you found it, and pack out all trash. Respect wildlife and minimize your impact on the environment. Tip number 7. Brush up on navigation skills. Carry a map and compass, and know how to use them. GPS devices are handy, but it's essential to have backup navigation methods. Tip number 8. Always carry a comprehensive first aid kit. Accidents can happen, so be prepared to handle minor injuries or discomfort. It's better to have it and not need it than the other way around. Tip number 9. Stay weather aware. Check the weather forecast before you head out, and keep an eye on the sky during your trip. Be prepared for changing conditions, especially in mountainous areas. Tip number 10. Practice good campsite etiquette. Be respectful of fellow campers by keeping noise levels down, observing quiet hours, and following any campground rules. And there you have it, 10 pro camping tips to ensure your next camping adventure is as hassle-free as it gets. Remember, camping is all about enjoying the great outdoors while respecting nature and fellow campers. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your camping buddies, and subscribe to your channel name for more outdoor adventure content. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy camping.